Hi, in this video, I'll show you how we can make Dawn theme featured product title, image, and price clickable. So, if you are using Dawn theme and using a featured product, then you know the title, price, or the images, nothing is clickable in Dawn theme. Okay, but we want to make it clickable, something like this. So, whenever people click the image or the title or the price, they will redirect to that product page. So, if I click it, it is going to our product page. So it could be any product. For any product, this will work for the featured product section. So let's see how we can add that. To add that, click the very first link in the description and purchase this coding snippet that will save you a lot of time and to spend time with a developer for only $20. So click the very first link and then get the code in your email and follow this process. So first of all, come to your online store and come to themes of Dawn theme, right? Whatever Dawn theme you are using and it is published. So click this three dot and try to make a duplicate version of it before editing the code. All you need to do is to just copy paste me. Okay, then click on edit code of your theme and then come to section, click on add new section and give a name like this: custom featured hyphen product. Okay, something like this, and click on done, and you will receive a Google document with all the code after purchasing it in your email. Then go to that document, click Control A, Control C to copy all of them. Come here, click Control A backspace to delete the things that we got in that particular file. Then click Control V to paste all the things from our Google document. Click on save. So this new featured collection section will featured product section will be added as a new section. The old Dawn theme featured product will be there, which is not clickable, but our one new section will be clickable. So let me show you that. So if you come here, as you can see, this is our by default Dawn theme featured product, which is not clickable. Anything is not clickable. Now I will click on add section, and if you scroll down a bit, you will find this new particular section, JS featured product. Okay, Dawn theme featured product only tell featured product, but our name is JS featured product, which is the name of me, Jahin Shahriar. JS featured product, just click on it and it will be added. Now I will choose the product, click on it and then choose the product, whatever product you want to choose for this particular product. For example, I will choose this one. Then you need to make sure you change this zoom effect to no zoom. Okay, so then image will be clickable. Now if I click on save, and if we preview that particular page, click on view, click on view. Now if I scroll down a bit, you can see Dawn theme featured product, title, image, price, nothing is clickable. But if we come to our design, and if I click price, it is clickable. If I click title, it is clickable. As you can see, it is going to that particular product. If I click the image, it is clickable, it is going to that particular product. If I click price, it is also clickable and going to this particular product. So I hope that makes sense and that will be useful for you to solve this issue. So thank you very much for your time.